welcome to my channel, fellow nail art enthusiasts. My name is Gigi, and if you're new here, this is Down for Glam, and what we do is nail art. So settle in and let's do a quick pink to gray ombre. I do enjoy any chance I can get to practice my ombre skills because honestly, it is a skill. You have really got to master that. I think it's a rare person who is naturally good at that. And if you are, I am jelly. I am jelly. Congratulations. So we're just working with some pink today. Honestly, guys, I was really struggling with what to do for this last set of the week or last video of the week. I was talking to my daughter and we sort of hit on the idea of maybe some sort of sleepy time set. And I had thought about several different things and I didn't use all of the ideas I came up with, but the first thing I decided was that I was going to do pink nails. I haven't worked with pink nails in a while. And rather than just do the standard blue to black, which I just did for Halloween, or, you know, the regular purple, orange, pink sort of sunset nails, I just wanted to do pink. So that was the first big decision that I made. And then I decided on the ombre, and from there, I just let the set decide for itself when it wanted to be. And so what I'm doing now is adding a little crescent moon. Really simple and easy. Excuse me, I just took an allergy pill, and it made me feel like I wanted to burp right in your ear. Oh my goodness. So again, just a little crescent moon, and I'm using some white. Excuse me, I still kind of want to burp in your ear. Sorry, I just am going to keep it really real with you guys today. I do not have the energy to sugarcoat anything. I feel exhausted. I don't know about the rest of you, but the whole world is exhausting me right now. And that's the most I'm going to say about what's going on in the world on this channel. I may make a video on the other channel later today after I try to get my head straight, but we try to keep it light and breezy over here. So we're just solidifying the shape of the moon. But that is really why I've been struggling creatively, is just, you know, like, and COVID, y'all, COVID gets you down. That stuff that's no joke. Okay, so now after the moon, we're going to come in and just splotch out a little bit of clouds, right? I don't want to go crazy. It's not going to be a super cloudy sky. It's a partially cloudy night, right? It's partially cloudy, but it's still early enough in the evening. We're not seeing any stars yet, at least not any tiny ones. We're going to do two really big stars in the sky on another nail. We're only going to do two of the landscapey type of nails. Everything else is going to have its own thing going on. I'm going to take a sip of coffee. Guys, I'm sorry. This is my editing program acting stupid. You'll see what I'm doing here in just a second. If I go back in and try to re-edit it, it's going to mess something else up. So I just really, really apologize. And I know you're going to forgive me. This is just a cute craggy tree, and it's going to be, you know, my pink ode to fall leaves on a tree, because we are going to do pink instead of any other color. I really wanted to keep this set pink. I wanted to go pink, and here we go. It corrected itself. I do apologize, guys. We'll see what happens. All the plans are right in front of me, and it's just a matter of taking all the steps to get there. You know how that goes. You can wish all day, but only taking action and being continuous with it makes things happen. And I don't give up too easily. So one day, more awesome equipment will be available to use, and that's the day we look forward to. So here is the pink glitter, and this is one of the Model Ones glitter gels. I love them so much. The Model Ones gel pots are my favorite things in all my nail collection. I love them. The glitter ones, the cream ones, they are amazing. I like the polishes I have by them as well, but they're not my favorite polishes. But these cream gels, and they're not perfect for every single thing, of course not, but they're good for a lot of things, and the things they're good for are perfect. Okay, so what I'm doing here is making some plaid nails. We're gonna do one full plaid nail, and then the pinky is gonna be a half plaid. I cut that footage out because it was starting to get kind of long. You'll see it at the end. But I'm doing sort of a brushing, like a dry brushing technique. It's not completely dry brushing, but somewhat. It's not, you know, like perfect dry brushing. I'm going to speed this up quite a bit here because it's very much just the same technique over and over and over. And ain't nobody got time for that. So, I love that video. That lady is my favorite lady in all the land. I know if I lived in that neighborhood, she and I would be best friends. I adore her. Now on top of the white, I am going to come in with some really skinny yellow lines. And honestly, this yellow is the closest to fall colors that we're going to get in this set. But I don't think there's anything wrong with having a pastel fall. And the plaid, you could think of this as maybe, you know, like jammies or a shirt, but honestly, I was thinking along the lines of a throw or a blanket that you would have, that you might take outside to sit, you know, on a cool evening with it wrapped around you or on your legs. And, excuse me. And that's sort of the thing I was thinking of as I was making this nail. So, but you could definitely think of it as whatever kind of plaid thing that you like, because plaid is just a fabric and you can make whatever you like with it. So maybe it's your robe, or maybe it's your favorite footy pajamas, or your favorite button-down shirt, or whatever. Now I'm going to come in on the second landscape nail, and this one's going to be super simple. Just a little kitty sitting on that gray ground. I think of the gray as like the ground. I don't know, you can think of it any way you like, but he's sitting there on the gray section. And I'm just using a fat dotting tool to sort of make his body. And again, I'm using that same Born Pretty art gel that I used to make the tree. It's a little thinner, and it's not a solid black. It's like a see-through sort of black, so it works better than the cream gel for certain things, because when you try to make dots with the cream gel, it always has a little nipple in the middle, so I don't really love that. So for that, that's not my favorite thing for it. I'm not sure what happened to the kitty footage or some of the footage here with the star. I swear I filmed it, but I don't have it, so I guess I didn't film it, and I don't know what happened. I did this last night, so maybe I was sleepier than I thought I was. But I just added little triangles to make his ears, and I made his tail silver because I thought it was cute that way. And now we're just coming in to make these big, fat, juicy stars, which honestly, if you were seeing anything in the sky that big, it would probably be pretty scary. But we're just going to say it's probably some planets, you know, like Mars or Jupiter or something like that. I don't know. And because you can see planets in the sky with your naked eye pretty easily, but I don't think they look quite like that. If they really did, oops, that'd be kind of scary. So, and also, oops, I did not, again, with the end of the stars there, I guess I paused for some reason, and I did not unpause it. So we're coming in with some top coat. We're going to start with that pretty thumbnail. That plaid nail and I think the tree nail are my absolute favorites of this set. But that kitty is a little in my heart as well, and you can never go wrong with a glitter nail. So if you're still here, if you're new to the channel and you haven't already hit the subscribe, Or you're not new to the channel and you've watched a few videos already. What are you waiting for? You know you want to click that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell. While you're down there, let me know what you thought of this set, you guys. I think they came out super cute. And if you were a super girly pink person and you still wanted to celebrate fall, I think this would be a great choice for you. Thanks again for watching my video today, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.